Now, there isn't many Wildtraks hanging around the marketplace that look like this. It's pretty special. So if you want it, be very, very quick. Carbonised Grey on a 73, this 2-litre bi-turbo Wildtrak is phenomenal. It's absolutely wonderful. It has had thousands upon thousands of pounds spent on it to make it look like this, and it truly is special. From the style bars to the front, to the different LED lighting system, to this Raptor forward grille with these lovely LED lights fitted in. Bonnet deflector, wind deflectors, 20-inch Riviera wheels with all-terrain tyres. But not only that, look at the arch extensions, fully colour-coded. It's got that Raptor-esque look for a fraction of the price. It's VAT qualifying, price is plus VAT, but the price is a wonderful, wonderful price if you're looking for the newer model Wildtrak. Of course, these are fundamentally fully loaded now when you buy one, from the interior features to the way they look on the exterior, off-road, on-road, it does everything. Look at the colour-coded section to the bars. We've got the heavy-duty lights around, all the plastics surrounding the LED rear light, also heavy-duty tow bar, different embossed decals now on the Ranger to the rear, lighter tailgate. Load liner, we've got also your socket, your 12-volt socket there, that's paid for as an option. It's in a lovely condition on a 73. It's done 8,000 miles. It's VAT qualifying. It's the best colour, isn't it? Carbonised grey. You've got to admit. Little features you probably won't notice. Obviously, the Wildtraks are fabulous inside, leather seats and all stuff like that you get. But little features you probably won't notice. Again, the roof bars colour-coded. The wind deflectors, they all make a different steps to help you get in. And then you've got the sport seats, driver electric, reversing camera. You know, the creature comforts you get in these Wildtraks are lovely. But before we go into that, let's just have another look at this vehicle's exterior features, because this is what it's all about. It's the wideness of it, the chunky all-terrain tyres, the wheels, the styling around the front end. How nice is it? Get it snapped up. We're just pricing it. It's just a great buy, it really is. Steph's going to help me get in this truck because, you know, it is high up. Once I'm in, I'm using my electric seat to move myself back. I can also move myself down and up. Sports steering wheel, digital interface behind the steering wheel. We've got adaptive cruise, we've got lane assist, all those features you're going to use on a daily basis. Keyless start as well. Keys are in the car, we have 2 keys. And then this massive iPad-like screen, you know, everything is on there. It's got wireless smartphone connect with Apple and Android CarPlay, heated steering wheel, heated seats, climate control. Then we've got the camera system. We've got the Towbar camera, towing camera, with 3 different views. You've got a wide view, and then you've got your towing view. So you can see it from the top. How nice is that? It does everything, really. It is fabulous. Different drive modes. You've got high range, low range gearbox. It is obviously a 4-wheel drive. But I think if you want something that little bit different, then this has got to be it. It's already had, what do we say, like 6-7 grand spent on it to make it look like this. It's also in carbonised grey. It's also VAT qualifying on a 73. It's wonderful. It's on the website now. Be quick. Thanks for watching.